If your law firm is currently paying a flat fee for signed cases, you need to stop immediately because the traditional lead generation model is broken, and state legislatures and bar associations are cracking down on third-party lead sellers. By buying leads, you may be inadvertently violating professional rules of conduct regarding fee splitting and the use of unauthorized referral services, putting your hard-earned license at risk. We offer a safer alternative, high-quality MVA cases that are 100% exclusive and 100% compliant. It is time to switch to a joint advertising model that adheres to strict state laws and bar association mandates. Mohr Marketing does not sell leads. Instead, we operate a joint advertising and administrative support program where you pay strictly for media spend and administrative intake labor, never for the client itself. This ensures you avoid buying clients, keeping you on the right side of the law. We provide full transparency by giving you real-time accounting access to track your media budget, and crucially, you retain attorney control with full liability for advertising content to ensure you stay within your specific bar rules. We have built a wall of separation to ensure the highest level of compliance by strictly separating the marketing strategy from the intake process. This separation works through two distinct phases. First, Mohr Marketing handles the media strategy, providing AI-driven marketing, ad placement, and media buying. We utilize advanced tools like AI web tracker and geofencing to target high-intent prospects at critical locations like hospitals, collision centers, and courthouses. Second, a separate entity, Legal Support Cases, handles intake and admin. This team is dedicated to inquiry handling and call center services, delivering claimants that are ready for legal review via email, API, or Dropbox. To maintain ethical standards, neither entity recommends specific attorneys to consumers. Beyond compliance, we use state-of-the-art technology to ensure you aren't wasting time on fake leads or low-quality inquiries. Our AI web tracker creates detailed user profiles by tracking active website users seeking an attorney immediately after an accident. We also employ ideology verification, a real-time system that emulates banking-level security standards to verify the identity of every inquiry. Furthermore, our scammer scrub technology checks all inbound and outbound inquiries against a database of serial plaintiffs and lawsuit mill litigators to prevent fraud. Every inquiry generated through this program is exclusive to your law firm. However, there is a limit to how many clients we can onboard per state, so you need to act now to secure your territory with a fully compliant partner before your competitors do. Don't risk your license on broken models. Contact us today by calling 866-695-9058 to get started.